Hello, I've got 5 different pellet rifles. Well, one's a pistol that can be made into a rifle. I put a rifle stock on it. This is the Gamo Recon G2 Whisper. This is the Gamo M4TAC. And this is the Crosman 760 Pumpmaster. It's the only one with a smooth barrel. There's no rifling in it. It shoots BBs or pellets. The M4TAC also shoots BBs or pellets. This is the Crosman 1377. And then this is the Daisy 880. It shoots pellets or BBs. And I'll show you the 5-shot groups I got with each one. I redid the 1377. I always believe in giving the worst one a second chance. So, first is the Gamo Recon G2 Whisper, right there. Then I did the M4TAC. Last night all the shots went in one spot, but today one moved out a little bit. It's a brand new rifle yesterday. And then the Crosman 760. There's 4 up here and then 1 down here. It did okay. And then the Daisy 880. It's put all 5 shots in the same spot before too. Haven't shot it for a while. It's my son's rifle. But as you can see, there's 3 really close together, then 1 right above it, 1 over here. So that's still pretty good, less than an inch. And then the 1377, it had a pretty big size group, so I decided to give it a second chance, and it did really good on the second chance right there. Just like lottery second chance. So they all did okay. The Gamo Recon G2 did the best, of course, this time. Next time it could be another one that does the best. They all have spring piston. So they all did pretty good. This is 10 yards. Now I'm going to do the chronograph. Okay. See if I can position my phone. Pretty sure it's in there. Anyways, if you can't see it, I will go ahead and say what the numbers are. I'm going to do 1 shot in each gun. Okay, the first one will be the Gamo Recon Whisper G2. There's 461. And all the rest of these guns have 10 pumps in them. This is the M4TAC, 654. Now is the 760 Pumpmaster, 532. And the 1377 American Classic. I'm gonna have to redo that one. And I'm using the same thing, same pellets. I'm using the Crosman Destroyer pellets in all weapons. $5.99. Now the last one is the Daisy 880. $6.82. So the most powerful one is the Daisy 880. The least powerful is the Gamo G2. But what's most important is accuracy and effectiveness. So they all did good, but the Gamo G2 had the most accuracy. I think all of these do really well. They're all pretty good for the money. Let's see if I can tell you about how much they cost. I think The 880 cost about $40. The 760, I got it for $26, but it usually goes for like $36 to $50. The 1377, I got it for $49. You can get it from $39 to $99. The M4TAC I got for $39.99, but you can pay up to like $120 for it. Depends who takes you for your money. The for $39.99 is an excellent deal. The G2 I got for $49 refurbished on Airgun Depot. So they're all pretty good deals. And I got the first three, the 880, the 1377, and the 760 Pumpmaster, either at Walmart or Walmart.com. The M4TAC at Amazon.com, and I already said the Gamo Recon G2 Whisper at Airgun Depot. I think it was Airgun Depot. Is either that or Pyramid Air? I don't remember. One of the two. No, it's Pyramid Air. Yeah. Okay, so I got it wrong earlier. So that's it. Each one's a good deal. I would probably use the Recon G2 because it's a brake barrel. Don't have to pump it up, and it's very accurate and reliable, very consistent.